Back in January of 2023, police officers in Memphis, Tennessee pulled over Tyre Nichols for what they said was reckless driving, although there was no evidence to suggest that he was actually driving recklessly. They then proceeded, 5 of them proceeded, to beat him relentlessly. He died a couple of days later in the hospital from his injuries. The 5 were charged in federal court with obstruction of justice, excessive use of force under color of law, and witness tampering. Now, the jury came back with a guilty verdict on witness tampering and obstruction of justice, but they did not come back with a guilty verdict on excessive use of force. 2 of the guys had already pled guilty, and one of them testified at the trial, and he said that he understood that they would not tell on him, and he knew they understood that he would not tell on them. Now, I don't know what else happened in that courtroom to make this not an excessive use of force case. These charges do carry pretty significant prison time, and they actually got locked up immediately. They will have a hearing on Monday to determine whether they can stay out pending sentencing, but right now they're locked up. They're also facing state murder charges that have not been moved forward yet. So I just hope that Tyre Nichols' family gets some justice. Now, I know his mother was outside the courtroom saying at least they were found guilty of something, and that's true. At least they were found guilty of something. I just don't understand how we didn't get an excessive use of force in this case.